We're here at our goat house because we're going to trim their nails. Their nails are really long.
That sharp enough?
Kon ba na siya kanang hait kuno kaayo ba daw na? Yes, he said it's sharp enough.
Because this is a brand new one.
Lyndon is teaching Janelle.
Okay. Dito ka lang sa
Pang manicure mo.
Natin, pisi. Reko no?
Oh, pisik. Naryo.
May paninglaki kay yang kuko dili taas.
Ito lang na puning ka, no? Dili, may nuntanan.
Nasa anak mo.
Kita mo siya.
Terus. Buntis na, ma'am.
Murag mo man siguro nitong nanganak nga namatay yang anak. This one's starting to have a long nails too.
Ano yan?
That one. This one too needs to trim. Muna ang among manikurista sa among kanding.
Taas na kayo po sa mga kanding. Pwede na i-entry sa kwan, sa Book of Guinness.
Our two manicurists.
Lima lang. Turan para at least magmayo man ang paglakaw-lakaw ba. Eh, wag yun.
Nagmanya isa ka kanding.
Manicure.
Manicure mo diha.
Uy.
Ay! Ay! He wants attention, this Billy goat. Hello, Billy. Ayaw lang. Oh, nice one!
Nakayong
Oh!
Okay.
XRA, mga na 60 na.
Palakaw. Baguhan, di ba? Lain lakwan. Nabaguhan.
How's that? That's better.
Murag,
Billy. Billy. Billy, settle down, mate.
Sit down.
Come on, darling. Come here. Come here.
Tunggu na po niya ha.
So we're learning how to cut the hooves of our goats. As you can see, we've let them go a long time. We just didn't know about it. I'd noticed it, but didn't really know what to do, and I was too nervous to do it myself. So Lyndon here knows a little about
namatay yung anak ka.
doing the hooves.
Namatay yung anak-anak.
So we'll, I
Nagtakupin na yung tutol niya. Ganit, yung nagsagdan na.
think they'll be much happier after this. They'll be able to wander around easier.
Yung ratas niya, nagpundura. Okay, wala.
Billy, settle down, mate.
Hey.
I'll have to bring you out of there.
Wala, tulad lang karon-karon. Medyo mas iglas pagiling ko, no? Kung mura gamay-gamay.
Yeah, noddy.
Iglas pagili ba?
I'll try and keep him entertained.
Oh, pare na.
Hey! You're right. You're right.